piece of junk.
Te vuelo coloche, loco. Right?
Still don't know how to go in the car, go in this driveway. Aye, this nigga crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, this nigga scared the fuck out of me.
Yes, I could, but it's still supported by the other one right now.
Yikes, right here?
Fast going, you bro.
Give me the thing.
Go what?
Turn it on right now to see how it sounds.
There you go, turn it off, bro. Yeah, you can turn it off from right there. Look at you.
I didn't. You made an ugly ass face, nigga. I gotta buy new flex for you.
Yo, I don't know, man. It sound like a V8 to me. That's what I gotta say.
Fat nigga.
You want the way? Sheesh, that cheek's fat. Anyways.
Yo. All I gotta do is get some fucking...
How much you getting for that?
All I gotta do is get some...
Nigga,
for this bitch.
Huh?
You at least gaining at least 100 horsepower taking these off, right? Right now.
Kev,
Yo.
you gotta get...
You trying to kill me? Well, I didn't hear you at all. Yes. Put some zip ties on that bad boy.
Some metal ones, right? Give me the price bargain.
Do you have metal ones?
Nope.
Well. We need some reds. Look how beautiful my phone is. We're gonna find out right now. He stepped on it over there. It sounds good. Just gotta hurry up.
I would have died.
You heard it?
Go.
Grab
Y'all dust that shit.
Hey, look at smiling. Look at smiling.
I told you it was gonna be small.
Record this.
Yeah.
They
They record
It
this.
had little pops in it.
Go. Go.
Get off of me, motherfucker!
Why did you throw yourself like that? This thing is like... like, what the hell?
Yes. Yeah, deja eso.
I don't know if you can hear the pops that much, but it's little baby pops. So we're gonna find out right now if you can hear with this. You heard it a little bit there. Right there too. I'm pretty sure you could hear it in the video. It pops so slightly. Sometimes it does it aggressive, but it wasn't doing it when I was recording it. But yeah, just a muffler delete. He didn't put the tips back on yet. He's gonna go get that shit welded. And that's it. This is just a voiceover because I forgot to make a outro. So yeah, deuces.